Value Village and showing you what I did with my thrifted finds. Village. We are going to Value Village now.
Meat box. Meat market. Meat box.
Yes, please. Well, the music's playing pretty loud, so I guess I have to do a voiceover. Anyhow, my husband's showing me these things that you can put tea lights in them. They were pretty cool, and I was kind of fascinated with this bird cage. I didn't buy any of them, but I thought they were pretty cool. And here's a little teepee that somebody made with some flowered material. So, I guess with a lot of this video, I'm just going to have to play music and let you look around. And at this time, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this content, and leave me a comment. I did find a few projects that I'm working on, and at the end of this video I will show you how I fix them up. So I hope you enjoy my little thrifting and all the projects that I've started and I'm getting done to sell. These two little bunnies came home with me, and they're sitting on my dresser and look really cute. They had lots of full flowers up on top of the shelf. I didn't find anything that I really liked, but then I didn't really dig through because I have a lot and I want to get mine organized. I kind of like that topiary. I thought it was kind of pretty. But there's all kinds of stuff up here. Oh, and there's a butterfly. I did bring that home with me and I am working on it. So that's one of my projects that I am going to do, and you'll see that at the end of my video. There it is. Here I'm looking through the men's t-shirts. I'm still looking for some retro t-shirts, and I didn't find any this day that I thought I would bring home. But I did find one the day I thrifted with my grandson, and it's another Mickey Mouse, and I really enjoy it. I found several things in this wood area. I picked up this box here with all the little shelves in it. I haven't done anything with it yet, but I'm still thinking about it. So I did bring that home with me, and I thought that was pretty nice. So it goes in my buggy. And I'm not sure if you're going to see the other stuff that I picked up or not. But let's just keep looking. There, it's a little snail, and it's also a bunny on the other side, and I did pick that up, and that's another project I'm working on. And it is like a light, it lights up, so I'm painting it up, and maybe it can go in some kids' rooms, and they can be night lights. Thought that picture was kind of interesting, but no, I didn't bring that home with me. So now I'm just looking around to see what there is, and you can usually find stuff that you can make over and turn into some kind of decor. I'm very fortunate because I have a little craft boutique that I can put things in, and most of them sell, so I can make things and then sell them. So that makes me very happy. Okay, I'm showing you a courage sign, and I threw it in my basket, but I ended up putting it back because it's not really what I was looking for. But I did spot a sign that said family. Not that one. There's another one that's all cut out of wood. I don't think I show you it. But anyhow, at the end of this video, you will see how I fix it and put it on my wall. Well, I really like this little thing, and I should have bought it. I don't know, I was being cheap, I guess. I just didn't want to pay what they wanted for it. And I think it was like $6 or something. Anyhow, there's a little birdie. I thought he was kind of sweet too. But we're getting close to the end of my thrifting for this day. And if you stay tuned, you will see how I fixed up. Oh, there's my family sign. It wasn't in that spot, it's in this spot. So I picked up that red family sign, and I'm going to spray paint it and hang it on my wall on my, what's the wall called? With all my pictures. Oh well, I'm a little tired while I'm doing this. But anyhow, I brought that sign home. So that's about the end of my videoing for this thrifting shop. And you can see my buggy has a few things in it. So I hope you enjoyed this little thrift. And now we're going to go into me fixing up the things that I thrifted. I hope you enjoyed this. Today I'm working on a few crafts. And I got this butterfly at the thrift store, and it has these flowers on it. And I'm taking these flowers off, and then I'm going to spray it white. Okay, I'm going to let this dry, and then I'll turn it over and spray the other side. Okay, now we're going to move on to the crafting side of the video, and how you can use my finds in home decor or to sell. So you saw that I painted the butterfly white, spray painted it, and I went to the store and I bought 6 of these, and they were $4 something a piece, but you got 2 for the price of 1. So I picked up 5, I believe, or 6, probably picked up 6. Anyhow, and then I cut them up into little bunches like this. Oh, okay, finger protectors, glue gun. Let's just run some glue along here, and we'll see. That with gluing the flowers on. Let's see. Yeah, I think that will work good. And the flowers can go on here on top of the ribbon. I think that's a good idea. Alrighty, so I'm going to get busy and do all of it. Okay, there it is, all the way around with the ribbon. Okay, so now I put 2 strips of ribbon down the middle, and I'm going to fill this full of the mauve flowers. And I think that will look nice. Okay, so we've got the mauve flowers all the way around, and I wrapped the antlers in ribbon as well. And then I put a little flower on the top of the antenna so that it goes with the rest of the butterfly. And now we're just filling in the inside. And I think it's turning out rather pretty. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of content, and leave me a comment and tell me, what do you think about my butterfly? There it is, hanging on my wall. I think it looks pretty good. Okay. I have this key for key holders, and it's got those all around there. I'm going to take those off and fill the holes, and then I'm going to paint it, I think. So I leave those 2 holes for keys, and I think that's enough for key holders. Anyhow, let's find something to fill the holes. Holes filled on the key, and I sanded it all down on both sides, and sage chalk paint. Yeah, I'm not going to worry too much about the first coat because I know it's going to take a few coats to get it covered. Dry good, and then we can paint the rest. Well, I can paint this end. Okay, now I'm putting this cord around to outline the key. And we're just gluing it down. Just gluing it down. And there's the key holder. I just put some jute around it, and I glued this old lock up there, and that's how it turned out. And we'll put some hangers on the back to hang it on the wall. Okay, I'm going to paint the outside of the bunny with just white paint, chalk paint. I painted the inside of this bunny with Tutti Frutti, just the acrylic paint from Walmart. And I thought the cutouts would show up really nice with the bright pink on the back. And this piece also lights up, so it would make a great little night light for a kid's room. And I'd like to remind you to please subscribe if you're enjoying this content, and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment to what you think. And the bunny, I just added those pretty little hearts around the neck. And I think it's pretty sweet. Okay, I'm going to start the snail. And I'm going to paint him the sage green inside, all over the back. Okay, I changed the back color from the green to a light gray, and I think that works much better. This is also a night light, so it will be fun to have in anybody's room because it's a nightlight, I just put ZZZ for happy sleeping. Okay, here's my sign, family, and we're going to spray paint it black. And there's our sign. Family. I've been looking for something to put in that spot for a while. And I think it looks good. Well, I'd like to thank you all for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed watching me transform these thrifted finds into finds you might want to use around your home. I know I had lots of fun doing it. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in my next video, which will be Tiny Tidy Tuesday. Okay, bye.